So I just stumbled on this framework called Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback, or RLHF, and it's just wild how it's changing how we train language models.
Right? It's fascinating how we're moving from traditional learning methods to something that incorporates human insights directly into the training.
Exactly. I mean, the way it aligns models like GPT-3 with user intents feels like it's bridging a gap between AI and human understanding.
Totally. And it reminds me that traditional methods might not capture the nuances of human preferences. RLHF actually evolves to learn what we want.
Oh, wow. So it's like the model learns not just to predict text, but to understand what makes a response feel right or wrong to us.
Yes, exactly. The process consists of three main steps: supervised fine-tuning, reward model training, and then reinforcement learning with PPO.
Wait, hold on. Can you explain the supervised fine-tuning part? How does that set things up?
Sure. Supervised fine-tuning is essentially training the model on a dataset of question-answer pairs to predict the next best tokens.
Got it. So it's like teaching the model the basics first before seeing how well it can adapt to feedback?
Exactly. And then there's the reward model, where they actually attach a reward head to predict sentiment labels, like positive or negative.
That's so smart. So it's like giving the model a scorecard for how well it's doing based on human judgment, right?
Right? It models how humans would rank responses, which is crucial for the next reinforcement learning step.
Speaking of that, what's happening in the PPO step? I'm curious about the optimization magic.
Great question. In the PPO stage, the model generates sentences and optimizes based on the scores from the reward model to deliver better responses.
That's crazy. So the model continually evolves, learning to favor responses that align with positive sentiments.
Exactly. It's like having a feedback loop that keeps enhancing the model's performance to reflect human-like understanding.
And this was all adapted to generate positive sentiment sentences using a movie review dataset, right?
Yes, the Stanford NLP/ST2 dataset provided labeled examples, letting the model practice what positive looks like.
So once it learns, it focuses solely on outputs that convey positivity. That's super cool.
Definitely. And it makes me think about applications like chatbots that can intuitively understand what users want to hear.
Right. A chatbot that can actually tailor its vibe to be more uplifting, that's a game changer.
Imagine the difference it could make for customer service interactions or even online therapy.
Oh, that gives me chills. It's amazing how technology can enhance those human connections.
And it really challenges how we assess AI's effectiveness beyond just accuracy. There's depth here.
Exactly. I never thought about it that way. Are there any other mind-bending implications here?
Well, thinking about biases in models, RLHF could help mitigate that by reflecting more diverse human inputs.
Oh, wow. So it could actually improve fairness in AI responses by embracing varied human feedback.
Yeah, but it also emphasizes the responsibility we have in curating that feedback effectively.
That's a great point. If human feedback shapes AI, we better ensure it's balanced and reflective of society.
Exactly. It's a call to be mindful about the data we provide to these models.
Wow, who knew a framework like RLHF could spark such deep discussions about ethics and responsibility?
Right? It's like peeling an onion. Each layer reveals more profound insights about technology and humanity.
So, to wrap this up, if RLHF can align AI better with human sentiment, what's next beyond that?
I think it opens the door to a future where AI doesn't just serve, but genuinely resonates with human experiences.
Yes, and that could fundamentally reshape our engagement with technology moving forward.
You know, this conversation is making me rethink the potential impact AI can have in our lives.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see where this goes, but it's clear we have a lot to consider as it evolves.
Agreed. It's exhilarating and a little daunting, but that's what makes it an essential conversation.
Totally. All right, I'm ready to dive deeper into whatever comes next. Let's keep this exploration going.
For sure. There's so much more to unravel in the world of AI and human interaction.
And I can't wait to see how these ideas manifest in real-world applications.
Exactly. The future of AI is not just about functionality, but about our emotional connections with it.